In this section, we'll be talking about prediction using the nearest neighbors algorithm. Prediction involves guessing the future. Of course, you've got to do this on the basis of incomplete information. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. One way of making predictions is the following. To predict an outcome for an individual, we'll find others who are like that individual and whose outcomes we know. Then we'll use those outcomes as the basis of our prediction. Here's an example. Here's a scatter plot of Galton's heights data. We've plotted the mid-parent height on the x-axis, and also we've plotted their firstborn male child's height. Okay, we see here a slight positive association, slight positive trend. Suppose we wanted to estimate the child's height for a 68-inch mid-parent height. What we could do is we could look to either side of 68, say by half an inch, and gather out all the children born to parents whose mid-parent height is between 67.5 and 68.5. Those are similar parents to the parent of our child. And then we could average those children's values in this red strip to get the yellow prediction. If we do that for each possible x value, you see that we get a linear kind of trend here. We get this predictor line, this gold predictor line. This is an example of what we call a nearest neighbor regression. It's a method for prediction. We group each possible x value with similar nearby x values, and we average the corresponding y values for each group. For each x value, the prediction is the average of the y values in its nearby group. The graph of these predictions is the graph of averages. If the association between x and y is linear, then points in the graph of averages tend to fall on a line. Let's look at this in a demonstration. We could load the Galton data, and here you see the mid-parent height and also the child's height. I think these are in inches. And we can write a simple function that will predict the height of the children. If you give us an h, a mid-parent height, we look at the children of parents whose mid-parent height is between h minus 0.5 and h plus 0.5, and then we return the mean of those children's heights. And we can make a prediction for each mid-parent height and add those to the table as well. And then we can do the scatter plot, and well, it takes a moment, but when we're done, we should see the scatter plot of the predictor line here in gold versus mid-parent height.